Good morning, students. Today we are starting question number 4 of worksheet 6 of chapter 1. Now, what is this question? Arrange the following in ascending order. In this question, we are given some rational numbers and we have to arrange in ascending order. Now, its first question is easy. Here we are doing second part. After this you will try first part yourself. So here I am doing second part. Our question is minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by minus 12, minus 7 by 16. Now we have to arrange all of these rational number in ascending order. Now first of all we will convert it into standard form. That means if there is negative sign with the denominator, then we will remove it. Now you can see here sign is with the numerator, so we will write it as it is. It is minus 3 by 4. Now here you can see that here is sign with the numerator and denominator both, so you can cancel this. Minus is cancelled with the minus. And now in third rational number, sign is with already numerator, so we will write it as it is, minus 7 by 16. Now minus 3 by 4, 5 by 12 and minus 7 by 16. These are our standard form. Now we will take LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 4, 12 and 16. So here in rough work we will take their LCM 4, 12 and 16. Now as you know how we find LCM. So after solving the LCM we have 48. So our LCM is 48. Now here I am describing LCM in brief because some students got confused while doing this process. So I am here explaining in brief. First of all, here our LCM is 48. So first of all you will divide 48 by 4. 48 को आप पहले 4 से डिवाइड करोगे. 48 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 12. अब जो 12 आया है उसको ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 12 आया था डिवाइड करके, 12 को ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 12 3 जा 36. So it is 36 and minus sign is here, so we will put here minus sign. Now again on second rational number, again in the same way, firstly we will divide this 48 by 12. 48 को हम 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. जब 48 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 4 आएगा. तो उस 4 को हम फिर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 5 जा 20, so we will write here 20. Now move to third rational number. In the same way, firstly we will divide 48 by 16. 48 को हम 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 3 आएगा. एंड देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 बाय न्यूमरेटर. 3 को हम न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 7 जा 21 and this is minus sign, so we will put here minus sign. Now we will arrange it in ascending order. First of all of you look at here in rough work. Here we have numbers minus 36, 20 and minus 21. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order, that means first of all smaller, then bigger and then bigger. First of all we arrange them these numbers on number line in rough work. Here you know that here is 0 and in this side there are negative number and in that side there are positive numbers. So in negative side first of all it will be 21, minus 21, then it will be minus 36, and then on right side there will be positive numbers and here positive number is only 20, so we will write here 20. Now whenever we have to write in ascending order we will move from left to right. That means जब भी हमें ascending order में जाना होता है तो हम left से right की तरफ move करेंगे. तो that means this is the smaller number, after this it will come and after this it will come. Again listen, we will move from left to right. First is minus 36, then second is minus 21 and then third is 20. So we will write here this is first number in ascending order, this is second number in ascending order and this is third number. Now you look here, this is our first number and minus 36 कैसे आया. इसे सॉल्व करके। सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज दिस -3/4। नाउ सेकेंड नंबर इज -21, और ये -21 कैसे आया, इस नंबर को सॉल्व करके। सो सेकेंड नंबर इज -7/16। एंड नाउ एट थर्ड इज 20, एंड 20 कैसे आया हमारे पास, इसे सॉल्व करके। सो वी विल राइट हियर -5/-12। दिस इज द अरेंजमेंट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। नाउ after this you will try first question. Now we are doing fifth question. Fifth question is arrange the following in descending order. As in fourth question we arrange in ascending order, but in fifth question we will arrange in descending order. Now as you know what is descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. That means पहले हम बड़ा नंबर लिखेंगे, then उससे small लिखते जाएंगे. Now here our first part is 2/5, -1/2, 8/-15, and -3/10. Again in the same process, firstly we will write all of these rational numbers in standard form. So 2/5 is already in standard form, -1/2 is also in standard form, 8/-15. Now you can see here is minus sign with the denominator. We will shift this sign with numerator. That means we will write it as -8/15. Now in this rational number you can see that here is minus sign with both numerator and denominator, and you can cancel these two signs. So we will cancel this. After cancelling it is left only 3/10. Now in the same way in rough work we will take LCM of all of these numbers. In rough work we will take LCM. After solving it will come 30. So 30 is our LCM. Now we will solve it as we do for earlier. Firstly we will divide 30 by this 5. After dividing it will be 6. Then we multiply 6/2. 6 2 ja 12. Again on the second rational number firstly we will divide 30 by 2. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 30 को तो क्या आएगा 15, एंड 15 को ऊपर वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 15 बन जा 15, एंड हेयर इज माइनस साइन, सो वी विल पुट माइनस साइन. अगेन ऑन थर्ड रैशनल नंबर फर्स्टली वी विल डिवाइड 30 बाय डिनोमिनेटर, दैट मीन्स 15 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे 30 को तो क्या आएगा 2 आएगा, और 2 को न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 8 जा 16 एंड माइनस साइन. अगेन मूविंग टू दिस we will divide 30 by 10, it will be 3, and 3 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे it will be 9. Now we will arrange in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. First of all we will arrange this number on number line. यहाँ पे हम इसे number line पे set करेंगे. This is our number line. Now this is 0, as in this side there are negative and in that side there are positive. So we will put negative number first of all. After 0 it will be -15 and then will be -16, and on right side first of all it will come 9 and then it will come 12. Now as I have told you that in ascending order we move from left to right, but in descending order we will move from right to left. Again listen students, ascending order में हम left से right जाएंगे, but हम descending order में right से left जाएंगे. तो राइट में हमारे पास सबसे राइट में कौन सा नंबर है 12. सो दिस इज अवर एट फर्स्ट प्लेस, एंड आफ्टर दिस इट विल कम 9, सो इट इज़ ऑन सेकेंड प्लेस. आफ्टर दिस इट विल कम -15, सो इट विल कम थर्ड, एंड आफ्टर दिस इट विल -16, सो इट विल कम ऑन फोर्थ. नाउ इन द सेम वे हाउ 12 comes, it comes by solving 2/5. so at first place it will be 2/5, and at second position it is 9. And how 9 comes, it comes by solving this, so we will write this on second position. After this and third position it is -15, and how -15 comes, it comes by solving -1/2, so we will write -1/2 on third position. Now after this is -16, and how it comes by solving 8 by -15. So at fourth position in last we will write 8 by -15. This is our descending order. And students, in the same way you can try second part of this question. And now our worksheet 6 is complete, that is our first chapter is complete. So you will complete this chapter on fair notebook. Thank you.